number names. For that I'm having like few sticks I'm having to form the numbers. You can also use some toothpicks, or you can also use some sticks to form the numbers while doing this activity in your home. And I have some objects. You can have any kind of objects like coins, if you have, you can use, or anything like suppose if you have some channas also, you can use any cereals or whatever it is, you can use for this objects. And I have the number names cards. I have written the spelling of the number names in one card. So let's see how we are doing now. First we are going to form the numbers. So what is the first number? The first number is 1. So we are going to form number 1. So yes, this is 1, and 1 means how many quantity we have, like how many objects we have to take from there. We have to take one object we have placed. And now we are going to learn the number name of this 1, that is O N E, 1. So the number is 1, and we have one object, and the number name is ONE1. Now we are going to learn the number 2. Now we are going to form the number 2. So see how ma'am is forming the number. I have placed one stick there, and then one here, one here, and then yes. See, now ma'am formed number 2. So 2 means how many objects we have to take? We have to take 2 objects. See, 2 objects I have taken and I have placed it. Now we are going to learn the spelling of number 2. The spelling is T W O, 2. See, the number is 2 and we have taken 2 objects, and the number name is TWO2. Now I'm going to form the number 3. How we are forming the number? I have placed one stick, and then one here, one here, one here, and one here. See, I have formed number 3. So 3 means how many objects I have to take from here? I have to take 3 objects. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 I have placed. Now I'm going to teach you the number name for 3. That is T H R E E, 3. See, the number is 3 and we have kept 3 objects, and the number name is THREE, 3. Now the next number is 4. So first we'll form the number 4. See how ma'am is making 4. Yes, we have made 4, and how many objects we have to take? We have to take 4 objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have taken 4 objects, we have kept it. Now we are going to learn the number name of 4, that is F O U R, 4. See, 4, we have placed 4 objects, and the number name of 4 is FOUR. Now next we are going to learn the number 5. So first we'll form the number 5. See how we should form. You can do this in your home also. So see, we have formed the number 5. So how many objects we have to take from there? We have to take 5 objects. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I have taken 5 objects. I have placed it. Now we are going to learn the number name. The number name, the spelling for 5 is F I V E. 5. Number 5 we have formed. We have taken 5 objects and we have learned the number name F I V E. 5. Now next we are going to learn number 6. For that, first we are going to form the number 6. One stick I have kept it, and then one more, yes, see, yes, see, we have formed the number 6. How many objects we have to take from there? We have to take 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects we have to take, and we have kept it here. So now we are going to learn the number name for 6. For that, S I X, 6. See, the number is 6 and we have kept 6 objects and the number name is SI 6. Next we are going to learn the number name 7. For that, first we are going to form the number 7. One stick, one more. We have formed the number 7. How many objects we have to take from that from this? We have to take 7 objects. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 objects we have to take. So we have placed 7 objects here, and now we are going to learn the spelling for this number. S E V E N, 7. See, we have placed number 7 objects, and the spelling for the 7 is SEVEN. Now we are going to learn number 8. First, for that we are going to form the number first. See how ma'am is forming the number. Yes, it's very easy. You all should try, and even you can also send me the video of this also. Okay, yes, so we formed the number 8. Now tell me, how many objects we have to take from this? We have to take 8 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have taken 8 objects. So now we are going to learn the number name of this 8. E I G H T. See, number 8, 8 objects. EIGHT, 8. The next number is 9. So for that, first we are going to form the number. Yes, one more, and here. See, we have formed the number 9. Now we have to take 9 objects from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now ma'am is having 9 objects. Now we are going to learn the number name. It is N I N E, 9. See, the number is 9 and we have taken 9 objects and the number name is NINE. Now the last number 10 we are going to learn. So first we'll form the number 10. Yes. Yes, see, we have formed the number 10, and now we are going to take 10 objects from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now ma'am has taken 10 objects. Yes, we have placed it, and now we are going to learn the number name for this 10. That is T E N. 10. See, 10. We have taken 10 objects. We have count and we have taken 10 objects, and the number name for 10 is T E N. 10. So far we have learned the number names from 1 to 10. Now I am going to teach you few activities which you can do in your home during this holidays. So when you are by continuously doing those activities, you can able to read the number names, and also you can able to recognize the spelling of the number names. For the first activity, I have the number cards, and I have arranged all the number cards here like this 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are doing it, initially you don't have to take all the numbers together because it will confuse the child. So we can take at least like 2 numbers first. Initially you can take 2 numbers, 1 and 2. 2 numbers you can take initially, and the number name of these 2 numbers can be shuffled and keep it over here. So you can help your child to arrange the number names for the corresponding numbers parallelly. You can help your child to do that initially, and when they are doing it again and again, they will learn how to do it. So here we have taken only 2 numbers, 1 and 2, and I have shuffled the spelling of these 2 numbers here, and I am gonna place it like wow, O N E, 1, and the second number is 2. So T W O, 2. Like this you can place the numbers in one side, and you can shuffle the spelling of the corresponding number, and you can place it in the other side, and you can make the child to do this activity. You can start with 2 numbers, and gradually you can increase like 5, and gradually you can increase till 10. And the next activity, and this activity is number word puzzle. This is the number word puzzle, and the next activity I'm going to show is number name, like number puzzle. This is number word puzzle, and the next activity I'm going to show is number puzzle. Let's see how we can do that activity. For this number puzzle, what you have need is you can take any paper in rectangular shape, and here in this paper I have divided the rectangular paper into three parts, like 1, 2, 3. In the first part I have written the number, and in the second part I have drawn the quantity of this number, like 1 means I have kept 1 dot. If it is 3 means I have kept 3 dots, and in the third part I have written the number name of the corresponding number. In any, like here I have put 2 slanting lines, and I have cut the paper. You can make like if in whatever shape you want, you can make it. So this is the thing I have done, like one in a rectangular paper I have made this activity, and what I have done is I have cut and I have kept it. See, 1 like this I have kept it. So how you can do the activities, this is also like what I have told in the previous activity, like you can start doing with 2 numbers, and then gradually you can increase the numbers like 1 to 5, and then gradually we can increase up to 10. Once they are thorough with 1 to 10, we can also do this kind of activity from 11 to 20 also. So let's see how we can do it. So I have taken 2 numbers, 1 and 2. I have cut the paper and I have shuffled it. Now I'm gonna arrange this thing. First I have taken the number 1. So 1 I have placed, and the next is the quantity, like dots we have to take. So how many dots should be there in 1? 1 dot. So I have placed it, and then the number name ONE. Yes, 1 dot and ONE. And the second one is 2. So there will be 2 dots, and then number name TWO2. Like this you can do for all the numbers. First you can start with 2 numbers. So by doing this continuously, the child is seeing the number names frequently, like ONE 1, TWO2. By seeing this continuously, the child can able to recognize the child can able to read the number names, the child can able to recognize the spelling of the number names, and once they started recognizing the spelling of the number name, they can easily able to write it. Once they are done with all the activities in the notebook, you can also do this kind of activity also. In one side you can write the numbers, and in the one column you can write the number names, or else one side you can write the number names, one side you can write the numbers, and you can ask the child to match the numbers with the number names, or match the number names with the numbers. You can do this kind of activity in the notebook also. Once the child is thorough with all this thing, you can give the notebook and you can ask your child to write the number names. Like if you write and give, you can write and give like 1 ONE 1 means you can ask the child to write some 5 times or 6 times. By doing that, the child can easily able to memorize the number names.